Hello there! My name is Kathy Martin, and I'm the creator of the Prealgebra Teachers Middle School Math membership. We are your one-stop shop for everything you need to teach middle school math. If you are a middle school math teacher looking for new ways to save time in your teacher life, I have 5 time-saving hacks for your middle school math classroom. These are personal time-saving tips that I utilize in my own teaching life, and I cannot wait to share them with you. So let's jump right in. So I have 5 time-saving hacks for middle school math teachers just like you. So our first time-saving hack is you don't need to grade everything. This may or may not be an unpopular opinion, but it is true. I want you to consider picking three only, okay, of your top priorities to grade. I'm going to say it one more time for people in the back. You don't need to grade everything. Pick 3 things outside of tests and assessments because that's like an obvious thing. But do you have to grade every single bell ringer? Do you have to grade every single math problem that you assign for homework? Pick and choose the things that you feel are most important. One thing that I do for grading in terms of homework is if I assign, say, it doesn't even matter. Like if I assign 10 to 15 problems a night, I will pick 3 of them that really give me an idea of whether or not kids really understand and really just grade those 3. So it might be numbers 1, 7, and 12 that really give me an idea of whether or not students understood the assignment. And those are the ones I grade. And that's how I grade homework. It has really cut down on time I spend physically grading and the amount that I am grading. Hack number 2, set time limits. What do I mean by this? I want you to, when you are choosing a task, set yourself up with a time limit of how long you're going to spend on that task. This is called the Pomodoro effect. So if you are sitting down and answering emails, give yourself 15 minutes. No social media scrolling, no like scrolling, internet searching or anything like that. Set a timer 15 minutes, answer all the emails in that focused 15 minutes time, and then move on to the next task. Your next task might be grading. Set yourself up a time limit for 20 minutes, really no longer than 20 minutes because your brain really cannot focus for longer than 20 minutes. And while you're grading, close down all your tabs that don't involve grading, close down, turn your phone off or silence it, flip it over, keep it away from you so that in those 20 minutes you are focused and you can get things done so much faster. Number 3, clear or clean your space. Every day before you leave, I want you to clear or clean your desk because if you can walk in the next day with a desk that is clean and organized, your papers might not all be graded, but that's okay. Do not walk into your classroom with a cluttered space. That's going to cause stress and anxiety, and you don't want to experience that first thing upon walking into your classroom. Number 4, batch your lesson planning. I've included a link right in the description of this video that describes more in details about what I mean by batching. But if you batch your lesson plans, meaning spending a little bit of time every day, focus on one grade level, if you teach more than one grade level, you do this in cycles and it will save you so much time in the long run. Because if you're making, say, a batch of cookies, you wouldn't just cook one cookie at a time, right? You would pull out the flour, the sugar, your stand mixer, your chocolate chips, all the things, and you would make a dozen cookies. You don't do that every day for a week and make one cookie at a time, right? That makes no sense. This is the same as batching your lesson planning. And finally, number 5, stop wasting hours searching for resources. If you add up the time you spend on the internet or on Pinterest or on whatever corners of the interwebs looking for resources, how much time are you really spending? Are you afraid to know? Because I am. The Prealgebra Teachers Middle School Math membership is here for you to access your 6th, 7th, and 8th grade lesson plans and resources all in one place. We have everything you need from bell ringers, standard aligned lesson plans to Common Core and Texas TEKS, PowerPoint notes for you to teach, practice problems, printable resources, digital resources, tests and assessments, everything you need so that you can go back to focus on teaching, loving teaching again, keeping your students engaged, and teaching with ease. Again, my name is Kathy Martin. I am the founder of the Prealgebra Teachers Middle School Math Membership, and I would love to see you inside of our community so that you can save hundreds of hours and experience the game changer that this membership is. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.